Meena the Cat Girl saves the day. Once upon a time, in a cozy little town with colorful houses and flower-filled gardens, lived a 5-year-old girl named Meena. Meena wasn't just any girl. She loved cats more than anything in the whole wide world. She had a big smile, twirly braids, and a costume she wore every day. A pink dress with cat ears and a fluffy tail. Everyone called her Meena the Cat Girl. Meena had a very special power. She could understand what cats were saying. One sunny morning, Meena was playing in her backyard with her toy mouse when she heard a tiny meow coming from the big oak tree. "Help! Help!" cried a little orange kitten from the tallest branch. "Oh no," said Meena. "Don't worry, kitty. Cat Girl is on the way." She quickly put on her sparkly cat boots and ran to the tree. The kitten looked scared and wobbly. "I climbed too high and now I can't get down," he meowed. Meena thought hard. She was too small to climb all the way up, so she called her best friend, a gentle neighbor named Grandpa Joe, who had a tall ladder. "Grandpa Joe, a kitten's stuck in the tree," she shouted. Grandpa Joe came with his ladder and said, "Let's save that furry little friend of yours." Together, Meena held the ladder while Grandpa Joe carefully climbed up. He gently picked up the kitten and brought him down safely. The kitten purred and nuzzled Meena's cheek. "Thank you, Cat Girl. You're my hero." Meena smiled. "You're welcome. Next time, maybe stay on the lower branches." From that day on, every cat in the neighborhood knew that if they were ever in trouble, they could count on Meena the Cat Girl to save the day. And Meena? She kept her cat ears on proudly, ready for her next big adventure.